I'm in a LitchField Nissan GTR track pack. Next to me is a BMW M5 competition pack. Next to that is an ES Motor Porsche 997 Turbo S. Now we're gonna have a drag race. It might seem a bit odd, but all these cars cost £100,000. Now for that, you get a brand new Nissan GTR track pack that's tuned by LitchField, and they take it up to 640 horsepower from the 3.8 litre twin turbo V6. The BMW M5 competition pack, that starts from just under £100,000, and for that you get a 4.4 litre twin turbo V8 with 625 horsepower. Now the ES Motor 997 may be 10 years old and it has 30,000 miles on the clock for £100,000, but you do get 760 horsepower. Right, we're going to have a drag race to see what happens when you spend £100,000 on one of these cars. Before we do though, make sure you subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon to turn your notifications on so you're alerted when we make a new upload. Also, check us out on Instagram at carwow. Okay, let's race. Oh, this thing just launches so well. Oh! That Porsche's coming now though. The BMW's been dropped. Here comes the Porsche, it's going to be close, right to the line. Can I hold on? Can I hold on? Oh, that is a photo finish. GTRs launch so well. I saw that thing in my rearview mirror just bucking like that. Struggling it was. I mean, so much torque in that thing. That is a photo finish on the line, that one. Wow.
The replay showed the Nissan just crossed the line first, but both it and the Porsche did the quarter mile in 10.8 seconds. The BMW was quite a bit behind, with a still very respectable 11.2 seconds.
Now we're going to have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, locked in third gear, in manual mode with the auto gearboxes. So let's do it, I'm going to call it. 3, 2, 1, go! This picks up really good. That Porsche's going now though, my gosh. That Porsche's nuts. It's quite level with me in the BMW. I just managed to stay ahead of it. That BMW's got some torque, you know, 750 Newton meters. That Porsche though, it has 1,000 Newton meters. This GTR has 830 Newton meters. Weighs about 1750. So lighter than the BMW and with more torque, yet it was very level. I wonder if that BMW is doing more power and performance than the numbers suggest. Now we're going to have a brake test from 70 miles an hour. When we hit the cone, we're going to do a full emergency stop. Now that Porsche is the lightest, about 1650. This is about 1750, and that's almost 2 tons. It's 1950 kilos. So let's see what happens. Also, I'm the only car without common ceramics. I'm on normal still, so here we go. Oh! Now that is blooming close. I do just think the Porsche won that. I'm ever so slightly ahead of it. BMW did a good job. It's not too far ahead of me. So I think Porsche was first, this was second, and the BMW was third.
So in the end, it was 0 for the M5, 1 for the LitchField Nissan, and 2 for the tuned ES Motor Porsche. Or so I thought. The Porsche's driver discovered its special drag racing tyres weren't at the correct pressures and claimed this hampered its launch. So as it was getting dark, we decided to have a rematch.
Oh, good start, neck and neck. Come on. Oh, that thing is fast. That thing is super fast. And that is that. The car with the most horsepower wins. It was close though, up to about 60, 70 miles an hour. But I've got to hand it to that car. It is nuts.